What's up, guys? This is John. You've seen me coding the agent-based model of education, call it Charm ABM. So today I kind of want to give an overview of the current state of the application. So you can see it here up on the screen. So on the left is the canvas where the animation will show up, and in the top right is the log area, and we have some control buttons as well. So first we can click this thing. And you can see that blind mode is on and that ticks are 0 and they're remaining 0, so we haven't started yet. I can turn blind mode off, so blind mode is false. And now if I set up, it will actually render the GUI. This GUI is 3-dimensional. You can see right now it's running at 34-ish, 33, 34. And these are the little agents, right? So he's changing jobs. You can see the blue highlight when they change jobs. If it's green, they are being educated and they're going to school. And if it's red, they are just staying at their house. And those are pretty much their 3 options. And so it has the interesting feature that they can kind of like pause for a while and then randomly move. It's not random at all, actually, right? So they are searching. Each of these agents has some level of curiosity, and depending on that level of curiosity, that will drive the frequency where they will engage a search function. And the search function will like allow them to discover new job opportunities or learn about different schools. And then the schools have like different prices, and maybe they have enough money, maybe they don't have enough money. And if they do have enough money, it doesn't automatically mean that they want to go to school, because maybe they don't know of any jobs where the education premium is enough to drive that decision to go get educated. But under certain conditions, they'll go to school. And basically the condition where they want to go to school is like employers pay an education premium, and if that education premium is like more than the cost of going to school, they pretty much want to go. So that is it for this side of things. And you can pause right here, and then this you can't move while it's paused, and then you unpause, and if you like dragged around, it'll register that afterwards. You can also hit the enter key or space bar. Yeah, space bar is also a pause. And I can reset. Oh, I can zoom in and out, and I can reset the model. Or maybe I'll just freeze the model when I try to reset it. Anyway, I can refresh the page and reset the model. Here's one thing I can do that I want to mention is I can start the model and notice there's no animation. But if I log, you can see my ticks are increasing. So this is in blind mode, and so all the data is in the virtual DOM, and I can say like model.turtles. They're called turtles, these agents, right? So here's the first turtle. Here's all this stuff. Some of it is just technical stuff like where he's located, and then other of it is like has economic importance. This guy's name is Connor Axtell. Those are kind of randomly generated. He's 50 years old or 51, right? And he's not yet educated, and so all this stuff. Okay. So a scraping process, and that's what I'll show you next, can come in here and get all this information about the agents and about the whole world. And so the scraper is a separate project. I'll put both links in the description. And if I pull up my console, then basically I just come over here and run npm start, and you can see it's going to, it actually has a randomized batch size. It goes anywhere between 0 and 20. I shouldn't let it do 0, but that's just how I wrote it. I can do that. And it'll launch parallel Chromium processes, which will go out, and each of those processes will come here. And by not dealing with the animation, they can scrape quicker, and those models can solve quicker. All right, so that just about shows what I wanted to demonstrate. I think now one of the metrics I've yet to capture is ticks per sec. I mean, I've done it, but like I haven't written it down, and that's ticks per second blind mode versus not. So I'll just be doing that this time. If you stay tuned, I'm gonna get like 10 of each. All right, so yeah, so it looks like the blind animator roughly doubles the. All right, thanks for your time.